Have you ever wondered how elephants, the largest land mammals, came to be what they are today? Our journey begins millions of years ago with the Proboscidea order, a group that includes the ancestors of today's elephants. Over time, through a process of natural selection and adaptation, these early creatures evolved into the majestic elephants we know today. These grand beings branched into three distinct types, each with its unique characteristics. The African bush elephant, the largest of the trio, is an iconic inhabitant of the savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa. The African forest elephant, somewhat smaller, calls the dense rainforests of Central and Western Africa home. Last but not least is the Asian elephant, slightly smaller than its African cousins, and distinguishable by smaller ears, roaming the forests and grasslands of Asia. In essence, the evolution of elephants is a story of adaptation and survival, highlighting the intricate relationship between organisms and their environment. Now that we've delved into their history, where can we find these majestic creatures in the wild? Elephants are versatile, making homes in a variety of habitats including savannas, forests, and grasslands. The African bush elephant, the largest of the three species, roams the savannas and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa. The smaller African forest elephant is nestled in the dense rainforests of Central and Western Africa. The Asian elephant, slightly smaller than its African counterparts, is native to the forests and grasslands of Asia. These gentle giants are herbivores, feasting on a diverse menu of grasses, leaves, fruits, bark, and roots. They are found in abundance in African countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. In Asia, we can find them in India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia. Despite their size and power, elephants have shown an impressive ability to adapt and thrive in diverse habitats. Ever considered what social life might be like for an elephant? Well, it's quite fascinating. Elephants are highly social creatures with complex social structures. They form tight-knit family groups usually led by the oldest and wisest female, known as the matriarch. These family units are a testament to the strong bonds and deep affection elephants form with their kin. Communication within these groups is intricate, involving a combination of vocalizations, body language, and tactile signals. From low-frequency rumbles to gentle trunk touches, elephants employ a variety of methods to express themselves and maintain their social bonds. And what's more, elephants are intelligent beings, capable of problem-solving and displaying a range of emotions. They can remember, they can learn, they can grieve, and they can express joy. Elephants are known to mourn their dead, a behavior that speaks volumes about their emotional depth. The social life of an elephant is complex and rich, much like our own, demonstrating their remarkable intelligence and emotional depth. Unfortunately, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats. What are they, and what can we do to help? Elephants, despite their grandeur and importance, are under siege. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization is one of the major threats. As their home shrinks, elephants are forced into closer contact with human populations, leading to human-wildlife conflicts. Poaching poses another grave danger. Coveted for their ivory tusks and meat, elephants are ruthlessly hunted down. Captivity too is an issue, with elephants often subjected to harsh conditions for the sake of tourism and entertainment. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are in full swing across the globe. Protected areas are being expanded and secured, anti-poaching laws are being enforced strictly, and initiatives to reduce human-elephant conflict are being implemented. Education and awareness campaigns are also vital, helping people understand the importance of these gentle giants to our ecosystem. The fight for the survival of elephants is a fight for the preservation of our planet's biodiversity. Every effort counts. As we come to the end of our journey, let's summarize what we've learned about these majestic creatures. Originating from the Proboscidea order, elephants have evolved over millions of years and are among the largest land animals on Earth. With three main types, the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant, they inhabit diverse habitats from savannas to dense rainforests. These herbivores boast a complex social structure, forming strong family bonds and living in cohesive herds. Their communication is a fascinating mix of vocalizations, body language, and tactile signals. But despite their strength and intelligence, elephants face threats from habitat loss, poaching, human-wildlife conflict, and captivity. Efforts are underway to conserve and protect these iconic animals, underlining the importance of their survival for the preservation of their habitats and our ecosystem. From their evolutionary journey to their social behaviors and the challenges they face, elephants are indeed a testament to the wonders of nature. Let's do our part to ensure they continue to grace our Earth for generations to come.